how to fix the issue when YouTube keeps asking you to sign in. A common problem, especially on smart TV streaming sticks or when casting from your phone. Follow the steps to solve your issue. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, first make sure the YouTube app is fully updated. Outdated apps often lead to login loops. Step 2. If you are using the browser, the issue might be caused by old cache and cookies. To fix it, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear both cache and cookies. Make sure you are logged in into the correct Google account. On a laptop, you can check this in the top right corner of YouTube. On a TV, go to Setting and ensure your account is properly linked and activated using the on-screen code. This is especially important if you manage multiple accounts on your device. If your issue still remains, make sure the date and time on your device are accurate. If they are off, Google may reject your token session, causing repeated login prompts. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app on your device. This clears any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the issue where YouTube keeps asking you to sign in. Thanks for watching.